Tada! It feels super amazing to have you here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a secret cryptocurrency project that has the potential of making you $1,000 to $2,500 in airdrop. Yes, so this project is one of the most secretive and least talked about on the web, and it has a lot of utility. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get in right now to maximize your earning before the airdrop date, and what the utility that the cryptocurrency is offering. So the cryptocurrency is unlike all the tap to earn that you are used to, right? So this one offers real utility. So without further ado, I'm quickly going to show you my system to talk about the project and also my phone on how you can get in, right? So the name of the project is Pocketfi. Is a decentralized DeFi platform on Telegram for swapping and for holding tokens, right? So here now the goal for Pocketfi is for you to trade. So it's a trading platform where you can trade meme coins or any cryptocurrency, and also you can use it to snipe on Telegram and to do copy trading. So these guys, they are actually offering like return value. So if you're wondering, so how do I get in, I'm going to leave my link in the description section so that you can get in, right? So let's go to the documentation and show you more about this, right? Then before I go to my phone, so here, this is their official page on CoinMarketCap. So welcome to Pocketfi. So what's Pocketfi? So Pocketfi is the ultimate solution for seamless cross-chain token transfers, snipes, copy trading, and much more. Now it is designed to revolutionize the way you navigate the world of decentralized finance in Telegram as a mini app. A new approach to Pocketfi brings together with an extensive range of decentralized exchanges, innovative bridges, and all encapsulated within a single user-friendly bot using new tools from Telegram team. This synergy of technology allows you to have full control, initiate token swaps, earn on sniping opportunities, and manage multiple wallets. So it's just like having an exchange, like just your Bybit or Binance on Telegram mini app. So that's what they are going to do, because the truth is that it takes all the rigor of how to use Binance or how to do KYC and all that with your Telegram, right? And with this app, you're able to transact in any cryptocurrency. So just imagine the opportunity. It's just huge, right? So so what problem do we solve with this bot? So these are like the problems. So I'll drop the link so that I can just go through this. So now this brings us to this. So how do you farm this? Here in Pocketfi, what we mine switch, right? So without further ado, let me just show you how to mine this switch.
Mining switch on Pocketfi is pretty easy, right? So the number one thing you have to do is click on the link on my description section, and it will take you to your Telegram app, right? Because you need that to get in the mining switch, right? So to get started with mining switch, so I'm going to click on mining. So this is how the interface looks like. So normally when I'm going to walk you through the interface, so I told you that Pocketfi is a decentralized wallet, right, that you can use to hold cryptocurrency and trading. So that's why I have like the total balance in dollars. So if you have like your money deposited, it's going to show here. So then on the top right level, your level is there. So this is level 2, and yes, every then this is the total number of switch I mine. I've mined the total number of 498 switch. Then every hour I'm entitled to 4.2 switch. It automatically mine my switch for me. It reaches an hour, I just click on it, just tap on it, it adds to the total number of switch you have. So this is the trick. So how do you improve your switch if you just start, if you are currently mining? So to do that, you do that by using like the daily task. So there are a lot of tasks that you can achieve, right? So like for instance, you see this task now, reach a trading volume of 1 ton. So now if you reach that, now each time you can do it 50 times. So each time you do it, you get 0.2 switch. Then join the big.pump live channel on Telegram, get almost approximately 1 switch. Now you can do it just once. Then you create your first Bitcoin, so you get 70 switch for that. So if you buy your first switch main coin, you get 20 switch, and create another main coin, you get +1 switch mining hour. So then the other things you should take note of is your daily reward. So this is the thing. Now if you log into switch every day without skipping, you get like rewards, you get rewarded for it. So day 1 to day 2 you get literally 1 switch, day 3 you get 2 switch, day 4 you get 3 switch, then 25 you get 4 switches, day 6 you get 8 switches, to day 10 you get 55 switches. Then the counter starts from day 1 again. So this is another way to upscale your number of switch and accumulate more for the airdrop, right? Then this is very important. Now the trading is what gives, so the trading section is what gives more switch, right? Now if you deposit like $12, all right, above anything above $11 in any token, you get 300 switch. So which I'm going to do like in the next video. If you are interested on how to do that, you just click in this comment section, so I'll just show you how to do that. But to do is pretty easy. Just click on this and make a deposit. So you just copy your ton, then you go to your ton and keeper and transfer to this. So the money is still yours, right? You're not losing the money, so it's still yours. You can transfer it back after that. Then click on tax again, then click on Pocketfi, and so you see when you buy and hold 70k worth of this, you get 0.2 switch. So guys, so that's how to increase your earnings, right, or your switches on Pocketfi. Then the other one is a partner. So this partner is a tab where people advertise on switch. So whenever you do this program, so if you join Bits Mini App King, now they give you 10 switch. So to just do that, you just tap on it. So joining the app will give you like 10 switch. So you just click on join and it will take you to the mini app. So the thing is, when you just click on it, right, and you go back, when you open it and you go back, it's going to activate that. It's going to activate that. So you mustn't necessarily play it, just make sure that it opens, then you go back. Yeah, so when you click on next to here, just make like an interaction with it. Just make an interaction with it, right? So if you're not mining pools already, I think this is something that you should just take a look at too, because it's actually an amazing game. So here now I'm going to go back, I'm going to close anyway. So you see it's done. So if I look at my balance, let me go to wallet, and so let me go back Pocketfi and look on mine. You see 11 Pocketfi, 11 switches, right? So I click, so I'm on 509. So that's it. And another opportunity that can leverage on is by inviting friends. So whenever you invite friends, you get 4.5 switch for each friend you invite, right? And you get this thing 7.5 switch for you and your friend. So as I'm inviting, so this is the good thing, as you are using my referral link, you're also getting switch. And if somebody uses your referral link, right, you get switch too, and they also, you both get switch. So it's a win-win for like the both of you, right? So that's it. So this is then the pump section. So the pump section is where you create meme coins, and to just create meme coins is, now you just click on create, you put the name of the meme coin and you put the description and the logo. So this is one of the big things that this project has that other cryptocurrencies do not have. Like, it's not a meme coin, it actually provides real utility, because for now creating meme coins like takes a lot of resource, human resource, capital resource to create that, right? But these guys are bringing it to us at the platter. So I'm very bullish. If you are bullish on this, I want you to drop it on the comment section. And so far, if you are gaining value and you have not subscribed, come on, what are you waiting for? We are a family here and we love to grow and make money together. So smash the subscription button so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and make more informed decision that will propel you financially upward. So now that I've done that, and I will see you in the next video. And if you have any question, please, you can always reach out to me and I'll be glad to help. Till next time, Riches Energy. Cheers.